If you're looking to learn woodworking, here are my top 5 schools in New England to check out. Yes Tomorrow, located up in Vermont, is my first choice. Now, you should check out their website to learn more, but here are some of the highlights. They offer woodworking, carpentry, and building science, and a lot more. Yes Tomorrow offers degrees through the University of Massachusetts, or you can choose a non-credit option. I've heard great things about Yes Tomorrow, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Applications are probably closed for now, but check them out and see when you can sign up. Next up, we have the Center for Furniture Craftsmanship, located up in Rockport, Maine. They offer an intensive 12-week course, happens 4 times a year, at approximately $10,000. If you check out their course calendar for 2024, it's jam-packed with all kinds of 3 and 4 day and 10-day courses. Check that out. They offer basic woodworking to advanced woodworking to wood turning to upholstery and a whole lot more. Their 3 or 4 day courses that you'll see in their workshops are about $1,000. The 10-day workshops are about $2,000. You're gonna have to check out their website to see for yourself. Now we head to Boston, Mass, to the North Bennet Street School. They offer full-time programs in cabinet and furniture making, carpentry, preservation carpentry, as well as other things like violin making, jewelry making, piano technology. That's just to name a few. For one example, their furniture or cabinetry making program, it's a 2-year program. It's about $27,000 per year. Plus you have to buy the hand tools for $4,000 and $3,500 in materials. For about $60,000 all in, you can be a master furniture cabinet maker. And I visited this place. It's second to none. Their work is amazing. Check them out. The North Bennet Street School also offers community courses. The list is long here, but for instance, a Woodworking 101 course, it's a 2-day course, runs about $270. And it goes from 8:30 to 4:30 for 2 consecutive days. Next, we head back to Vermont, to the Vermont Woodworking School. The Vermont Woodworking School offers an immersion program and a bunch of workshops. The school is 100% woodworking and wood turning related. They offer 9 10-week programs for approximately $7,200 depending on the program. They also offer a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree option through the Vermont State University. If you go for that option, most of the classes will be taken at the Vermont Woodworking School. Be sure to check out their website for more information. My 5th option is Woodcraft. Woodcraft's located all across the country, so you can find more options other than just New England. In New England, I found 3 stores in Massachusetts, New Hampshire, and Connecticut that offer the classes. Not every Woodcraft offers woodworking classes. And the types of classes offered vary from store to store. Some stores offered bowl turning, pen making, and building an acoustic guitar, while another one offered Woodworking 1 and Woodworking 2, and a bunch of others, sharpening. So you have to check out your store's individual website to find out what's offered by you. So that's my top 5. Check them out, and that's your tip of the day.